Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to our kitchen. So I had a little bit of that pizza dough left over. We already got it seasoned up with some basil oil on here. I am going to make, I don't know, stuffed pizza rolls. Like, I don't know what you want to call them. I'll figure that out and put it in the title. But basically it's like a cheesy bread with pepperoni in it. So we're going to use, I used up all the fresh mozzarella. I'm going to use this Tillamook cheese. It's a good cheese. It's very good. Tastes good. So I'm going to use that mozzarella, the pepperonis. We're going to use some of the grated Romano, the fresh basil, and an egg. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to roll this out nice and thin. Because we're going to, after we have this rolled out, it's not really going to make a whole bunch of these, but we're going to use this up. So we're going to roll this out, and then we're going to stuff them, and we're just going to make a little bit of appetizers here. What do we want to call them? Pizza logs? That might be a good name for them. Pizza frogs. I kind of just do what I want, make things up as I go. Seen stuff before and just tweak it to what I want. We're just going to make this nice and thin. Making some pizza frogs. So we got that pretty thin there. You can see. So I'm going to cut this into about thirds, I guess. So I'm just going to do it like this. And then we're going to add our cheese in here. Gotta make sure it's not poisoned. That's good. Got a good amount of cheese in there. We're going to add some pepperonis. Double stuff these pepperonis. You got some to spare. Just had some to spare. Alright, we're going to just kind of fold this over and pinch this all in here together. Kind of make it like a little burrito. Just make it like a little burrito. And roll it. And pat it. And mark it with a B. So you have something like this. It's not an egg roll. They could be egg rolls. So I'm just kind of folding it over this way first. And then tucking it in on the ends. And then stuff it all down in there and just cram it all together. And roll it up. Roll it up, Buttercup. So there's that one. And they're kind of misshapen because, like I said, we just used the rest of the dough that we had. We're just going with it. Just making a little appetizer. Just roll, roll, roll. Alright, so we have all three like that. And I'm going to spray my pan with some cooking spray so they don't stick. I got my oven set at 425. I want to sit these right on here. I going to take this egg and mix it all up. Make a nice little egg coat and give it a little egg bath here. Just give it a nice little egg bath. This will help my seasoning stick to it. I'll flop it over. Get this egg on both sides. Give it all a nice good coating. I'm going to put the sealed side back down. Wash my hands off here. Put a little bit of garlic salt on it. I just have garlic powder, so I'm going to put the garlic on and add a little bit of salt on top. And that's going to stick real nice there. Not too much salt, just a little bit. Now flip them over and do the back sides as well. Making some garlicky pizza logs. I'll come up with some fancy name for this. Or not. They'll just be garlicky pizza logs. We're going to add our Romano cheese. Because every time you get like a mozzarella cheesy bread, there's always like that sprinkly cheese on it. So we're going to do both sides of it. I have this fresh basil. So I'm just going to put some on here for a little bit of color. Just make them look pretty. I'll give it a nice little flavor too. Alright, so there we got them. I said we're only making 3 of them, but there you have it. I'm going to pop these in the oven at 425 for about 5 to 7 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes, and we'll be back checking on them. Let's take a peek and see if these babies are done. Oh yeah, they're oozing that cheese right out of there. Look at that. Don't look at my pan, but look at that. Alright, so we're just going to cut into these. And we're just going to make these bite-sized. And then we're going to serve them with this carbone pizza sauce. I can tell already because that cheese is just leaking right out of there. These are going to be delicious. I just want to see if we can get like a nice little... Oh yeah. They're looking good. So we're just going to cut these into bite-sized pieces. Have ourselves some little snacks before dinner here. Dipped in that pizza sauce. These are ultimate filled mozzarella sticks. Epic. Pepperoni stuffed. Good and fresh. Ooh, hot. Folks, just look at that. Those are some good. They're so soft and squishy. They're going to be awesome.